Hello everyone, today we're gonna dive deep into KYVE incentivized testnet and the way you can earn more rewards. So let's get started. First you need to go to app.kyve.network. Then you need to have Kepler wallet installed. After installing the wallet, you need to connect the wallet to the web page. Alright? So let's allow our Kepler wallet to add KYVE network. Our wallet is connected. You can go through all the tasks to check and play around, but I suggest you to start with task tab. Alright, here you have few groups of tasks: community tasks, engineering tasks, and content tasks. Let's go through every group. The first task is claim on Twitter. To do so, you need to go to Faucet tab. Then you see there are a few more Faucet way to claim tokens. Okay, the first one, you need to share a tweet. After sharing the tweet with your address, you need to put the link to your tweet here and press claim your token button. In a while, you will be granted with some amount of tokens. I already did this task, so I'm not going to do this again. Let's go to task tab again. The next one is Retweet Tweet. This is a very simple one. You just need to retweet tweets on KYVE network Twitter page. So this is the official KYVE network Twitter page. Just go and press retweet button to every post you want to share. You will grant with 40 points for every retweet. As far as I can see, there is no limit for retweets, so you can earn good amounts of points here. The same way with like tweet. Just go and like KYVE network tweets. You will grant with 40 points per every like. Alright, the next step is follow Twitter. You just need to press follow button, and in a little while you will be granted with 100 points. Also note that all community tasks will be automatically tracked, and it may take up to 2 days. The next task is claim on Discord. To do so, you just need to go to Faucet tab again, and here is claiming on Discord. You need just to copy this message, go to Discord and Faucet channel, and then just simply paste it and press enter. And in a little while, bot will send you 20 KYVEs. You can do this task every 24 hours. The next task is claiming korellia wheel. Let's go back again to Faucet tab, and here is a wheel. Just press spin the wheel and complete captcha. And every 24 hours you can spin the wheel and earn some points. So this is all for community task. Also, there is very cool dashboard called Twitter Stats. The team has made it so you can track all your Twitter activity that you completed. So you can see all your tweets here, or tweets, and etc. Let's get back to engineering task. The first is governance what. Here is governance tab here. You just go to there and check if there is available proposal. If so, you just go and vote. Unfortunately, there is no available proposal right now, so I cannot vote. Pool staking. This is the task that require to run a node. you can run a node and be a validator of one of those pools. But keep in mind that you need to have amount of token that allows you to be in active set of validators. So here we can go to Moonbeam pool and let's go to the last validator. Every pool has maximum amount of 50 active validators. So the last validator has amount of staking KYVE a bit over 8,000 KYVE. So if you have amount of KYVE more than 8,000 tokens, you can be a validator. You can go back and check the other pools. Maybe there is some other amount of minimal staking. So we are here in Zilliqa pool. Let's go, and we can see here is 2.7 thousand KYVE. The last validator has staked. So if you have more than this amount, you can be a validator. To become a validator, you need to press Become a Validator button, then read the stuff. Here it said that you need to have minimum staking amount at least 2.7 thousand KYVE. And the next one is binaries. It leads you to a GitHub page. Here is the binaries of the pool. The next step, running the node, you need to open official guide. By this link you can also ask mods on Discord, they'll send you, and follow the guide. You need to rent a server, then follow the guide with the commands. It's very simple, doesn't require much skills, but the most important thing is you need to have the needed amount of KYVE to be staked, to be in active validator set. So that's it about the staking part. The next part is delegating. Let's go to pools again, choose any pool, for example near, then go to delegation tab and choose a validator you want to delegate your token to. So we can see here is the first validator with 90% of commission. We are not interested. So this validator takes almost all fees of the transactions. We want to delegate, for example, to this validator with only 1% of commission. Just press button, become a delegator, read the stuff, continue, and choose amount you want to delegate to the validator, and press delegate in validator with this amount of KYVE and press accept. Alright, it's done. We can go to user button and check our delegation. So I already delegated to Solana pool and I just delegated to Near pool. Here you can also claim your rewards from delegation fees. So this would be the task, you'll get 1 point per delegation and up to 150 points. The next one is pool funding. Let's go to pools again, choose any pool you want, and here is funders button, and press become a funder. Read the stuff, press continue buttons, and choose amount you want to fund. But keep in mind there is also minimum available funding amount. So I do not have currently the needed amount, so I want to undelegate some tokens to show you how to become a funder. Let's go to Silo pool again, put funder, become a funder, continue, and let's put 300 KYVE to fund. Also keep in mind that you do not earn any rewards by funding a pool. Alright, so we have our funds in user tab and my funds section. So that's it, and you can earn 5 points per fund and up to 50 points. Create bundle. To complete this task you need to run a protocol node. Currently I'm not running KYVE node, so I cannot show you how to complete this task. Validate bundles. Also you need to run a node, and every time your node validate bundles you receive a point. The more KYVE staked in your node, the higher chance for you to validate more bundles. That's all for engineering tasks, and in the next video I'll show you how to complete content tasks. Thanks for watching.